box number 7. Box number 10 of the night, but this is box number 7 for John Parker. Good luck, John. We have 2 boxes left from this case. The next one is in the store with 10 left, and then we'll post the last one after that. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, John, I should say. It's just a personal. Alright, so there's that. Alright, we got an orange auto. Orange auto, Carlos Henderson. Denver Broncos receiver. 16 out of 25. Nice. Carlos Henderson, there we go, first hit. We got a redemption, could be a 1-on-1 when you redeem it. It is a Curtis Samuel Speed Kills autograph card. I believe he's a Panthers receiver, like 2nd round pick. So once you redeem it, it could be a 1-on-1, could be out of 5, out of 25. Parallels are fulfilled once you redeem it, once you enter the code. This is a nice one. Autograph, Houston Texans, Deshaun Watson. A Watson for John Parker, 10 out of 50. Wow, that's nice. 10 of 50, Deshaun Watson. Bam. This Valiant's been nice. There you go, John. And the last hit of the break is a 9/5/10 Devian Smith autograph. Michigan. 16 out of 50. Devion Smith. Michigan Wolverines. 9/5/10 right there. So there you go. Congrats, John. The nice Watson. Could get a low number Curtis Samuel, Carlos Henderson, and Devion Smith. Thanks, John. Appreciate it. Next one's in the store.